1.
Create 3D mesh. Cast. Part type clothing body. Export texture. Export mesh. Back to home page. Create 3D mesh. Cast. Select something matching. Export mesh.
2.
Open the full body skirt. In edit mode, remove what you want. Rename it. Save it. Open the replacement skirt. Append. Your skirt. Object. Your skirt. Select OG skirt. Select your new skirt. In weight paint, transfer weights. On old skirt, delete skirt verts. Join new skirt to old skirt. Save. Edit texture if need be. Re-import and customize. Done. The skirt goes swish, swish. Long, short, mini, kilt.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.